Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we have more than 10% drop in a single day and the price line is testing very critical supports. And in today's video, we will try to understand whether the price line is going to move more down or it will have a reversal move from here. So let's start the video, and before starting, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. Okay, this was my last analysis that I shared more than a week ago when the price line of Bitcoin formed a harmonic bullish reversal sharp move after a critical drop. And this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that the price line has completed another leg of a bullish reversal harmonic sharp pattern on the daily time frame, and from here we can expect another reversal move. And I also shared this move with you as well in this video. And let me show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the live daily time frame and 4-hourly time frame first to show you what the price line can do next. Now this was the move that we have seen in my previous videos as well, that the price line completed this final leg, and this was the perfect Fibonacci sequence of the bullish reversal sharp move. And I told you that our buying zone starts from $44,676 and goes to $43,073, and the sell targets starts from $46,834 and goes to $50,812. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line once more moved down here up to $43,370, and we had a very nice reversal and moved up to $48,800, and now it is moved down back in this potential reversal zone. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame first of all, then we can see that we have another short-term support here. You can see recently the price line has several bounced by this support, and this is very nice support zone that starts from 44,000 and goes to $43,300. If I place this pattern here, then it will be more visible for you, and you can see that this is really very critical support zone. But today we have a move up to $43,230. that is below the support zone. You can see that we had a spike below this level, so this level should be saved, and unless this level is not broken down, we can expect a reversal from here. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see that the stochastic is just going to enter the oversold zone again. Previously, when we had this drop on 7th of September, then we had the stochastic very close to this oversold zone. We did not have more room for the stochastic to move more down, and you can see that stochastic moved up and we had another rally to the upside. But if we watch the stochastic and the price line, we can see that the price line was forming here high highs, but the stochastic was forming lower highs. That was the bearish divergence, and eventually the price line moved down here, and now we have once again this stochastic very close to enter the oversold zone. You can see that the blue line, the bullish line, is just entered the oversold zone, and the orange line is also moving down. So there is not a big room for the stochastic to move more down, so we can expect at least a short reversal, from here, at least on the short term. But this support is, again, I'm saying, really very important. That goes to $43,300 and starts from $44,000. Right now you can see again we are moving below this level. We have several spikes below this level previously, and this support was safe here and here and here as well, and here we also had a spike up to this support. Right now we are having the move beyond this support right now, like we had previously here and here as well. And if you watch the previous history of the Bitcoin, then you can see that this support zone has been breaking as a very, very nice support previously as well, like here and so many times here as well. So this is very critical movement right now. We are testing a very, very critical support levels, and at the same time, if we switch on the weekly time frame, then you can see that this is the exponential moving average 21. This is the weekly time frame weekly EMA 21, this red one. And you can see right now the price line is also testing the exponential moving average 21 weekly. After this rally, we moved down, we tested the EMA 10 here, moved down, and right now we are testing the EMA 21 as well. That is very, very, very important, because if we are rallying to the upside, moving down, testing the EMA 10, and if we will have another reversal from here, a powerful reversal on the weekly time frame, that will be a sign for a continuation of this rally. However, if we will move down, because this is the first retest of EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, that will be the sign of rejection by EMA 21. Even though for several weeks we have been moving above this EMA 21, but during the first retest, if it will be failed, that will be the first rejection of EMA 21. Like previously we had the rejection after this rally, that was a big bull run back in 2017. We moved down and we moved up again for a while. We moved up above this EMA 21, but we could not save the support and move down again. That was the first rejection. We again moved up above this EMA 21 here. That was the second rejection. This was the third rejection. This was the fourth rejection, and you can see that we had a very, very strong downtrend. So this is going to be the first rejection if we will have the weekly closing below this EMA 21. Right now we are just testing this EMA 21. So let's move to this golden cross that we have just previously received. And I was telling you that this is a very, very powerful bullish signal. Like if we I take you to the previous history when we had these bull crosses, like previously we received this bull cross here back in 2019, and before that we received this bull cross here before 2017. Let me to show you this bull cross as well. And after this bull cross, we had a very, very nice rally, and we received this bull cross basically here back in 2017, and we had a very, very big rally up to $20,000 up to 2017. We again moved down and received this death cross between the simple moving averages 250 here in April 2018. And after April 2018, we received the bull cross here in April 2019, and we had a very big rally. We again received the death cross here in October 2019, and we again received the bull after this death cross, we received this bull cross or a golden cross in Feb 2020. But after that, we had this drop of March 2020 when all the markets were moving down. So that was the exception. And here we again received this death cross, this golden cross. That was a continuation of this golden cross, in fact. And we had a very, very nice move from approximately $7,000 to more than $60,000. So recently, after this death cross of June 2021, we have received this golden cross here. Right now, we are having a waterfall crash, but the candle, the daily candle, is not so far not closed above below the 200 simple moving average. And we need the price line to move above this golden cross, because this golden cross works as a very, very nice support. I have been telling you in my previous videos as well that we can receive a very nice rally before the golden cross, and after this the formation of this golden cross, it can work as a very strong support for the price line, and it can travel above this support for the long term. Right now we are testing very critical supports. We are testing this golden cross support. We are also testing this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, and on the short term we are, and this support zone that is from $44,000 and goes to $43,300. So right now you can see we are again having a spike like previously we were having, but we should watch for the daily closing. If it will be closed below this level, then the situation can be critical. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.